Hello and welcome to this How Tech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to create a box plot in Excel 2016. A box plot or a box and whisker plot. So here's our data. We'll make sure not to select the date values just yet. And it's right under here. Box and whisker, also known as the box plot. So here it is. So much easier in Excel. In the previous versions you would have to actually calculate the quartile values, do some other weird things with stacked column charts to finally get a box and whisker plot. But in Excel 2016 it's much easier. A couple of clicks of a button, and of course, like any other chart, you can go ahead and edit it however you'd like. The workaround for the previous version of Excel, I believe, used these stacked columns. Yeah, something like that. Stacked columns, and then you'd use error margins, quartiles you'd have to calculate, and all this other stuff. But this is Excel 2016. This has been a How Tech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.